We have already talked about steroids, the fire extinguisher of inflammation, and Visco, the ultimate lubricant. But what if you could actually repair and reverse the damage from within? Today we'll talk about the liquid gold of regenerative medicine, that is PRP. पीआरपी दैट इज प्लाज्मा रिच प्लेटलेट। इसमें हम आपका ब्लड सैंपल लेकर सेंट्रीफ्यूज मशीन में डालते हैं टू सेपरेट आउट प्लाज्मा रिच इन प्लेटलेट which has high concentration of growth factors which help in repair and regeneration of knee cartilage. So positive effect on disease pathology. Effectiveness good to great if given as a predefined series of injection. 1 से 3 महीने में एक्ट करना शुरू करता है। देयर कैन बी सम इनिशियल फ्लेयर अप ऑफ सिम्टम्स दैट्स जस्ट योर बॉडी रेस्पॉन्डिंग टू द ट्रीटमेंट बट कीप इन माइंड नॉट टू टेक एनी NSAID, steroid or ice fermentation for these symptoms. Only paracetamol allowed. The effects can last up to 6 to 12 months, but if given as a series of injections, that is 3 injections spaced 1 month apart, followed by booster dose every year, it can have a long-term relief. Moreover, in younger patients who have good stock of active platelets. To summarize, ideal patients for steroid are those with severe osteoarthritis or in flare-up stage to give you temporary relief before you can start any other treatment modality. Visco is for moderate osteoarthritis to buy you some time before the ultimate solution. These two can be given in combination as a single injection. PRP is best for moderate disease in relatively younger patients who have good stock of active platelets, given as a series of injection, not to be combined with any other treatment modality. If you have any other doubts, you can contact me at Ulux.